Hey guys, this is Tim and welcome to the Tim G. Edwards Music YouTube channel. Today's guitar lesson, I want to teach you how to play the very popular hymn, Rock of Ages. This song was written back in 1775 by Augustus Toplady. Very easy song to play. In my description below, there's a link to Ultimate Guitar tabs that you can print out the chord sheet and lyrics to this great hymn and follow along as we learn this song together. If you're not a current subscriber, please subscribe to my channel. Appreciate it. It's free, there's no obligation. So let's get started. Rock of ages, cleft for me, let me hide myself in thee. Let the water and the blood from thy wounded side which flow be of sin the double cure. Save from wrath and make me pure. Okay, very short verse. Playing this song in the key of A major. Then using D major, E major, and then E7. Okay, I'll take a few moments to show you how to play each of these chords. To play A major, you want to press strings number 2, 3, and 4 down on the 2nd fret. You can play these simply by putting your fingers in a row, placing finger number 1 on string 4, finger number 2 on string 3, and then finger number 3 on string 2, all on the 2nd fret. Strum all strings with this top string. That'll be A major. You want this bottom string to ring out. Another way you can play it, I just use a bar. I just use finger number 2 and try to bend that joint there to try to not to touch this string number 1 here, and just bar across strings 2, 3, and 4, and be sure and let string number 5 ring out because that's the A note. And then D major. To play D major, you place finger number 1 on string 3 of the 2nd fret, finger number 2 on the very first string of the 2nd fret, and then finger number 3 on string number 2 of the 3rd fret, and then strum the bottom 4 strings. D major. Okay, then E major. To play E major, you place finger number 1 on string number 3 of the 1st fret, finger number 2 on string number 5 of the 2nd fret, finger number 3 right below that finger number 2 on the 4th string of the 2nd fret, and you want to strum all strings. You want the top E and the bottom E and all the strings to ring out. E major. Okay, to play E7, which you just kind of release it on one syllable of one of the words, you just simply lift off on finger number 3 and keep these 2 fingers down on string 3 and string 5. That's E7. So you're releasing this string number 4 from the 2nd fret, and you're going to be letting that D ring out. Okay, that makes up all the chords used to play this song. Okay, this song is written in 3/4 time, so there's 3 beats per measure. 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3, and I kind of strum with a little shuffle pattern: down, up, down, up, down, up, down, up, down, up, down, down, up, down, up, down, up. Okay. Okay, so let's look at the chord progression for the verse. Okay, you'll first strum the A major note when you sing the word ages. Rock of, or just kind of lead in lyrics. Okay, all right, so beat number 1 will be on ages. Okay, Rock of ages, cliff for me, let me hide myself in thee. Let the water and the blood from thy wounded side which flow be of sin the double cure, safe from wrath and make me pure. Okay, so as you can see, you're only using the E7 real briefly on the word and, water and the blood, and then wounded side when you sing the word side. Okay, so let's look at the second verse. While I draw this fleeting breath, when my eyes shall close in death, when I soar to worlds unknown, see thee on thy judgment throne. Rock of ages, cleft for me, let me hide myself in thee. Okay, very easy hymn to play, and a very popular hymn to play as well. If you enjoyed this video, be sure to hit the thumbs up button. I would appreciate that very much. If you're not a current subscriber, please subscribe to my channel. It's free. There's no obligation. Just simply bookmarks my channel on your subscriptions so I can easily be found. I'd like to thank all my current subscribers as well. Have a great day. God bless you.